Alright. Hopefully I'm not clipping too bad. As long as I speak softly, it should be fine. And I think I wanna... minus 3. I think that should be better. Yeah, okay. This way I don't have to worry about it clipping quite so bad. So today's stream will be pretty much rebasing my entire codebase. Because the way that it was set up before was dumb, and I don't like it. So here's basically my to-do list for this stream. And we'll see how it goes. I already have the FFT.h, so that's fine. I do need to have new stuff in here. For instance, I would like to set everything up to be a bunch of different libraries. I don't know if I actually want to do that. That sounds like a lot of work. I don't care to actually do. I'm also using a different microphone this time, different headset. Just see how it goes, so I probably sound like trash in this stream slash video. I'm sure most people watching this is just gonna be a video. It's gonna have one viewer and it's probably me. So then if this the includes H, because just gonna double check our engine prompt. Yeah, and then okay. Additional include software engine includes GLU, glue, and GLF. So that should be fine. I will need to find a something. I need to actually include GLE w.h first, and hash include WGL. Include string, need that. And need to hash include include app. That's going to be some important things in here. Yeah. So I can delete that. We also need to Foxfire engine itself. I don't really, because effectively what I'm going to be doing is building on a bunch of I'm going to be building on top of a lot of whatchamacallit. So let's just do that. So, big thing I'm going to be doing is building on layers of abstraction. So I'm going to be building up layers of abstraction. I'm going to start at the bottom and build different classes in order to have the things that I need. For instance, the entity component system will have its own. I originally kind of wanted to do all this much more different what do you call them, different libraries, but I've since moved away from that concept because I just feel like that's going to be a lot to handle and manage, because I want to make sure that this project is manageable and maintainable. I've also reformatted the Git repository to have branch groups in a certain way that I really want, because people seem to actually be interested in the GitLab repository. Those are some changes that I've made, I'm going to make. So let's add another new item. Make this the ECS batch. It's not super class entity class components, and the class system. Okay. So I'm going to go back into the old code base, because I still have it in the Git repo. Still technically there. Let's do okay. Let's take a look. Okay, so I guess. Oh yeah, utils. And the utils.h2. Fixed. And this is going to be contains the utility classes. Because I'm going to need to have the yeah, utils. will be tested. Typing T plus from what K array or I don't really know. Anyways, it'd be there's arrays, sets, lists. I mean, it is a type of container. Into K array. Yeah. The main thing that we had was the count. We have no. 24. Yeah, we want to make it expandable, which we will do. And when we feel like doing all that, yes. Because we also need to have the count. Yeah. And then here we'll have minus T count. We'll prefer this to be a property. But I don't think properties quite work. With template things. It just does like weird stuff. So I'll just do the normal C++ stuff here, I guess. That might. So I'm actually going to I'm going to do that. I'm going to do read-only property there. Is size 2, and the main is, and then we have the get count. Pathetic. Right. I do believe that's the syntax. And this is a return thing. This should work, because it will always function definition for read-only property not. Yeah, it should be. You know it's going to throw us that error. I was going to place in line and just returns. I don't really need to always call that. Let's go back into here. Now push. Yeah. Void push. Okay, or val. Should say the value. And that is a lot of rules. Here it is. And let's see. And that's plus equals. And void for at actually I had a void x. Oh no, it's not that. It's just three. And then void. Actually, it's not. It's t4. And then this is size t index. So ti for index. I think what I need to do is return data at most minus head. Pretty sure that's what we need to do. No, it's not. What you have to do is actually key val equals head, and then equals at head, and then read and first name is index. This makes things look a little bit nicer, and a little bit more easier to read. And then the last thing is the operator t reference operator. Actually, I might just do it. Size t instead of an int. This will help you do error correction, handling, and all that stuff. This is just a return. Yes, all in one. Key reference. So it is the reference too. So you can read and write. Alright, so that is the K array. And since it's templated, everything is in the header, so I don't need to worry. That should be fine. So in the ECS entity, God, this is such a mess. I'm gonna do some declarations. And this will help break things. Wouldn't normally have like hash regions all over the place, but I don't really know how many. I don't know. I don't know what people are going to be doing. I also have to declare signature using signature SCD bits. Yeah. I don't really know if I'm going to be using signature in place, so using signature equals CD set. And then we go to 2024. There are better ways of doing this, obviously. I should includes, and then I can just have the includes all text, right? Yeah, so a lot of things are going to be a little bit all over the place. There's going to be all these things. Public system, this is going to be, so the public region is going to have all of the actual components having to be meaningful in component structure. So a component is relatively simple. We have a target field and field. Private field is going to have the one the public component and two hooks. And this is a struct. Struct. And then in here, we'll have the size t of the ID. Data. And now what is going on here? How does this work? I still don't have. See, this is why you document your shit. Sometimes you just forget how everything works. It can be a really big problem sometimes. Just for forgetting this stuff, even yourself. Which is why documentation is so important. signature and D in this case, which is mainly why we have A to begin with. And we'll have a cleanup method. That's why we have these things. This is making it a lot easier to quickly. Again, whenever like I want to make this framework easy for me and easy for people to use, because I have to write it in a way that is idiot proof because I'm an idiot. And also need to write it in such a way that it's easy to maintain because I need to maintain it, update it, and work on it. So it is going to be very, very simple, yet powerful. It's kind of the entire point behind it, right? So in the component, I need to have the construct has a size 2D. I need to have the category check. Okay. T. Yeah. Ordered. Right. We'll map it. And then it'll be the indices. TD. Entity pointer and entity pointer and size 2. And just we need to have we need to have these st up here. We have all T reference S entity pointer entity pointer E, and then we return the data at the index is in series E. And we also need to have plus and a minus. Yeah. I guess I could say no. So now in C# we can change the order of things. I don't know if we can do that in C++. Like, I don't really know all that much about C++. Like, yeah, I know how to program in general, but for the most part, like, it's not really something that I'm not super familiar with. This is an empty picture. Can I do that? You can. Excellent. Yeah, all of these things will be okay. So indices and entity equal dot. Oh, did I do that in that way? The count? No, it's lowercase. It is lowercase, but it is not a method. See, property. And then push. I do believe, yeah, you use push method. Because it returns the reference. Because you can also have system signature change. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, the system signature challenge definitely letters. Mm-hmm. Static code signature change. Okay. This is in public. And then it is static void signature challenge. This is equal to pointer equal to. Yeah. Yeah. Because in here, I pushed. Then what you need to do is you need to say E signatures. Entity said set ready for system signature changed. Oh, okay. There's a rogue capital in there. Right? As is. And that is entity. Right? Yeah. Okay. Then you want to return. Return data and the series. Content. Mm-hmm. And then E primary tool minus entity. Yeah. Entity. And here, things are a little bit different. First of all, it's not ID. Return null. Display. I like having inline stuff quite a bit. If it is literally just one thing that can't be, it's just one thing that can't go wrong, then you might as well. Right? It's mainly because, like, if you're not doing anything other than you're just gonna be returning something, if it's just a wrapper so that you can do things, like these operator overloads and a bunch of things like that, you might as well just do that. You know, things along these lines. Properties can be incredibly powerful tools. Like, it is insane what you can do with the syntactical, the Carmackian syntactical gymnastics you can pull is absolutely insane. In like C#, it's intense what you can do with properties in C#. And by extension, any programming language that has that kind of syntactical sugar that you can do. So first we have these in, and then entity sim.set ID plus. We are removing the entity, or removing the component from the entity. I mean, I would like it the other way around. So that's, I think that's the thing we can do. It's not yelling at me. But I think syntactically. I think that's. Let's take a look. 0 plus toward. See what the internet has to say. I should be able to do that. Radar loading, and blah blah blah. Okay. Contacts are plus. I mean, it's not really showing me. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It is doing front. So data. And then this is count. And then this is and this is and this is. So this way, what you can do here is that you can have something along the lines of, say, components, text. Well, I mean, you can say like entity player goes to entity, right? And I can do entity player, and it could player entity. You can do, I mean, you can do entity pointer file. Entity, right? And you can have, you know, component, right? Right? You can do that. Like that's the thing that you can do. Just because this is how this is. And I should, right, here it is, right. So that's kind of how I want to set it all. You can do like component position equal, you know, utils, you know, double, you know, this could be 1.0, right. That's kind of like the syntax that I want to be. You know, things along that line. And then I'm going to get into linear algebra stuff. And again, like, I do not say that you should make your own engine. It will, if you have a particular game in mind that you want to make, making your own engine is not, making your own engine is not the way. I'm doing it to increase Russian spaces. And also, there's a bunch of games. So making an engine does make sense, and I want to learn how to use engines. And the best way to do that is to just make an engine. So we need to system change G and then read. And then see the start in the indexes at right? Yeah. That's how that works. So all that's good. Close that. Yeah. All the other things, right? That's fine. And then, you know, that says this. We'll have yet another one. Here, let's see. No. Components. Okay. Now these are. We also have a couple of sig. Might be better if this is a string. Right. So we do want to have a in a new struct and a in an right? Because in essence, due to the fact that in essence, dealing with is a lot of different stuff, honestly. Where's make component? Where's make? Where does make component lie? Where does make? Hmm. It's not a signature. Make signature. And here, static signature. Signature. Make signature. This is T. Right. I need to have that in there. Because that way I can actually have these things. Because the way that all that works is completely different. So, um, the two main ones that I want to have is struct limit, and here we'll have signature void pointer suspension, and then this will have entity pointer right, and then also we'll have SD set entity. And the reason I want that is that I don't have the reason why I want function pointers instead of like function overloads is because virtual functions are pretty bad. And since these functions are going to be called a lot, especially within a single frame, it's a lot better to have the function pointer cached, like in memory, in the CPU cache. Entity. Um, uh, and here through some signature. Void pointer is this function, and then this entity e, and then here is the entity pointer. I have that. And let's go ahead. Init. Static. It's list. No. Static. Yeah. Init. Struct. Init. List. And then static. List. So both of those are initialized. It's fine. Their static will be defined in the ECS. CP. Oh, good. That's fine. Yes, P. P. And here I'll have the is done. Utility. May not be this string. If I don't have anything that's non-tempted, then I won't need. Here, let's. Then here we'll have GS. Yeah. We have all those. This is a lonely stream, but I'm not too terribly upset. It's fine. I only need to have. Yeah. That's nice. Hey. So, just a holding K. A. R applied to a specific subset of entities given components. So we have the entity layer, all those there are ways of getting around this. Entities can run the entity, you can have a property to return a typecast pointer as an integer. And just use that. That's effectively. So you're not like messing around with a bunch of stuff. You know, it's fun. Yeah, there's other ways. Handling this whole thing here. There's like a lot of weird cyclical things and declarations and stuff. I'm sure there's a way to do this in a way that is based off count, and the count is the stuff, but you also can't just appear and you say, you know, right, you just can't say components, right, you throw in there might be a way of doing it, but I'm not smart enough to figure it out. Like it needs to be. We're gonna throw in there, 1024. Right. And I always do powers of 2. I mean, technically speaking, it should be multiples of 8. Powers of 2 are multiples of 8 as long as it's greater than 2 to the power of 3. Yeah, it's 128 bytes. Which is fine, that's. I love that. I mean, like 256 bytes might be better, like, 2048. This is doing it. Okay, yeah. So twice that is, we have 2048. 256 bytes. So that is a byte worth of bytes. Anywho. Yeah, it is a byte. It's whatever. Math. Okay. It is a square. It's a byte square, essentially. Okay. So I have all those, which means that in source file. Oh, that's changes. I need that in source. We need to add a new item. This is going to be a CVP file, and this is going to be UCS. I mean, I guess we never hash include I'm going to do because it includes everything else for me. It's just so nice. It's so much cleaner. So I can do a region QT. This is region. I do believe that I need that, honestly. I mean, I probably don't. Okay, so I do need the yeah, because I do need the key. order to update adding new things. This is a very important thing to keep in mind. I'm even going to leave myself a note here. Up to if new line 3. Right, very important. Let's see, page CP, that's fine. Region components. I think another thing that I was doing poorly, or not very well, is changing again. I think in the classifier H, I was doing inline static. Now I need to do this. Alright. Oh no, I do need to declare them. But in the I can I guess I could just enroll them. That's fine. It's small enough that I don't need to like set this, I don't think. Yeah, it might be better to do it. We will figure it out. Oh, fun. To the repository in here. What's in here? There's the entity as a system, and a bunch of these things. So I'm also going to take a look at these. Yeah. So I have okay, yeah, all of these are, this is a templated, all that can stay. That is the only thing that's in there that's not made. Updates correct on the init structure files. I need to just do make signature in the other one. And this is in what's my H1? Which one is that set in the actual CPP? Because I left myself a note to do it in the do something in the CPP file. Yeah, move to CPP all these things. Yeah, that's fine. Which means, well, I mean, it wouldn't be bad to do there as well. Oh, yeah, so I need to actually pair those, define those. In here. Components, 70 for now. Final ingredient, in system, make signature. missing actually size ID. This is all in true. Okay. So next signature is look. Next signature. Just return signature set ID. Oh, okay. 8. There's not much of a way to do that. I feel like there's more elegant ways of handling a lot of these things, but I feel like I'm just too damn dumb to figure it out. Oh, why are the followers just split? We have 17 followers. And only one for now, 12, everything's fine. Okay, we got 36 notifications and the stream being trash. So I'm on crappy ass internet. No way of making it better yet. So, I don't know. We shall figure it out, I guess. So the unique signature is just to return signature. Yeah. Set ID. And that'll be fine. And again, I can just do this. Oh, I'm actually doing it. Whoops. Okay. The signature is right, that's fine. And I usually want to do that, makes it a little bit less readable in a lot of cases. Might be better. Okay. I don't care, it's not very expensive. I don't care. I'll do stuff that's kind of totally what's going on. And then signature change. What is start void signature change. Void system signature changed. That's an entity pointer to this maybe a lot. Oh my god. It just needs to sweep through the sweep through every single system. Both the net test and the system test, right? So I can do that for auto system net test. Yeah, it's going to throw that up. And so, something. I need to make a system, which also means I need to make a component. So let's make a component. No. And yeah, I feel like it's in here. Stack component std. No, I mean I could do a constant array if I really wanted to. String. We have that in there. Can you give me that I need? Just to be thorough. And the component here. How do I do this? Let's see if we can. Okay. Let's go to the header file. There's a lot of back. I'm not too entirely pleased with. Yeah. Okay. That's plus. Do inline. Let's try it. Then here. Right. Then here, I'm going to do this minus component. Inline. Wait, did I do this in one order? Component. Oh, what lines? Errors not template. What do you mean? Okay, is a template. Yeah. Oh, okay. So I do need all that. And it's okay, it's not a template, but it totally is. Well, because this is here, and maybe size to out return red. Okay. Yeah, don't think we need to actually clear that here. Because in ECS also have YouTube and then become C++ changing right okay, let's see here. So upgrade is a member function, and then write three functions for that call. Line operator having function and then write three functions. Since multiplying vector by square is symmetric, since there is no clear superior or subordinate participant while using a pair of freestanding operator overloads, we have a choice between overloading a member function versus overloading a freestanding function. The decision will be based on the participation of the object itself and the consumption with respect to the function's parameters. The object plays central role while parameters play peripheral. Keep a function with an object by making it a member. The object and function parameters play central roles only when there is a degree of symmetry between participants. A freestanding function is appropriate. Okay, yes. Host operator entity. Six. Two parameters. Okay. C++ parameter design as a member function, therefore the first one is implicitly calling the object should either overload it as a friend function or as a free function. What does, how do you make a free function? C++ free function. In terms of the function. The free function is any function that doesn't return anything. Return type is void, but after reading further, it seems that free functions also contain arguments. I'm not sure. To non-member functions. Every function that is not a member function is a free function. Okay. Which means I'm going to this out, do that here, and then this out here. And then this need to always be name, and then click on Q, and this is post. Right? Okay, there we go. Non-member operator requires a member with password unknown. Points. Construct. Weird. And this seems to be a template. Construct 2, and this is construct. Construct 2. 6. Construct. Oh, this is okay, so these are free functions. So now, because of that, I'm looking now for overloading. Well, that's changes. Checking. So not have to be on and it's in the it is templated so it doesn't need to be in the header. Okay, so that's fine. That actually clears up a lot of stuff. Cool. Let's see you do that. I am learning things. Cool. Oh hey, sorry, I totally missed you, Sean Logan. I'm fine. I think trying to find something to use beside Visual Studios, for whatever reason, it won't read the number, just the word? What do you mean by that? Sorry, I was full blown just focusing super hard. Sorry I missed your message there. Init list. Init list, which means that I need to make the init list. Let's see here. Yeah, I don't understand what you mean by. Yeah, I don't really know what you're talking about there. About just reading won't read the number, just the word. I don't understand what you mean by that. System init list. Oh, I think I still need to do that. Init equals. So I need to make a system. So if I make a system. Share. Make signature. System. Make signature. Test. Okay. Yeah, let's see here. I don't necessarily need to have all those planned. Let's see here. What is it? Just the signature and the lambda. And it is the key pointer T. And here it will be cd cout, and then it will be not cool. That's T. Right. Yeah, I think that's fine. Yeah. Yeah, no, never mind. Okay. I should go. Let's do window. Yeah, and then I can go here. It doesn't tell me the time that you sent that. I'm so sorry. Let's see here. Also, I would like to know what your least favorite programming language is, and why is it Java? Okay, so I have that, I have the components. And you see, yeah, the inline, that's fine, and then I have, now that's fine, so now everything else will stop yelling at me. So now what? You can buy it. Let's see here. Let's see here. What is the thing? I'm not gonna do better. I guess it is working. Let's see what should change. I need to do, yeah, internet list if the entity signature to signature and signature to system. Sure. Then you do things. System entities insert. System dot search entity. System entities dot erase. Erase. Yes, well, what you need? What do you need? You need a drink? Okay. You want a Coke? You want a Coke? You should. You want a Coke? You want a Coke? Okay.
Much.
Yeah. You know what you like to eat?